Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard in the beautiful Horizon Gray hull color. Water sports tower for lots of shade and doing your wakeboarding, etc. The stainless steel anchor and the windlass here. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Arguably one of the best-selling Sea Rays of all time. It's just that perfect fit, definitely for our market here in South Florida. You got twin engines on the boat. You have lots of space. Great running boat. Good freeboard. This one's powered by a pair of 250 V8 Verados with joystick piloting. Trim tabs, underwater lights. This boat boogies. You have a nice swim step here that comes out when you want to use it. Look at the nice sea deck on the swim platform. Big expansive aft lounge here. No need to convert anything. Stereo controls back here, 12-volt outlet, little wet storage there. Nice step to get on and off the boat. Freshwater shower comes out of here. Look at the awesome cockpit. Sea deck flooring throughout, seating everywhere. This is the gray interior, absolutely beautiful. They call it stone. Look at all the coverage you get from this water sports tower. Storage underneath all the seats, optional table for the cockpit here and one for the bow. These backrests, easy to move, so you don't have to convert anything again to make it into a lounge. Nice wet bar over here with a refrigerator. Again, awesome seating. Enough for the whole family and all their friends. Look at this gorgeous helm. 12-inch SID-RAD digital display, upgraded Fusion stereo system, joystick piloting, DTS controls with active trim. Really cool. Keyless ignitions, one push button start. Little glove box here, and then you have a gorgeous enclosed head with a vacuum flush toilet and your owner's manuals. Lots of storage in there as well, and there's a sink. Convenient walk through here. You have storage under here for your second table. More floor storage. Big, wide, expansive bow. Access to your windlass controls here. Another freshwater shower. Armrests. Look at the beautiful stitching that Sea Ray does. Hard to beat the 290 SDX. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.